Hello dear friends, wherever you are in the world. I send you greetings from Holland. Thank you for joining me for this new video series on how to stay positive in a negative world. And today we'll start with number one, I think the most important thing, we need God. And maybe you think, oh Maria, there you go again, I'm doing fine without God. I don't want religion. I don't want Christianity. I don't want all these things. But listen, we live in very, very interesting times. And it's not an easy time to live in for a lot of people. A lot of uncertainty, a lot of changes, a lot of bad reports, negative reports, doom scenarios, or however you want to call it. And I don't think we're going to make it without God. You know why I personally believe and know that we need God in our lives is because He's God, creator of the universe. He knows the past, the present, and the future. And it can bring a lot of stability and a lot of peace in your life when you invite Him into your life, into your circumstances, and into your thinking, into your heart, into your living. So what I want to do in this video series is every kind of point I share with you. I have a scripture that encouraged me very much. And in this case, when I say, well, we need God, why do I say that? Because I believe Jesus showed us the way. And you can find that scripture, if you want to look it up later, in the Gospel of John, the 8th chapter. John chapter 8, verse 12. And Jesus is speaking here to the people of His time, and He still speaks to you today. And He says, I am the light of the world. If you follow me, you won't have to walk in darkness, because you will have the light that leads to life. Well, that's quite interesting and very encouraging when I read that. If we follow Him, the light of the world, we will not walk in darkness. And it doesn't matter how dark this world gets. It doesn't matter how bad it gets. It doesn't matter how scary it gets. We do not have to walk in darkness when we follow Jesus, because He's the light of the world. So I would encourage you today, if you have never done that, make the choice to follow Jesus. Just say, Jesus, I want to follow you. I don't know where to go, but I believe that you know the way. You are the way, the truth, and the life. So I hope you see you tomorrow. Bye.